Okay, we wanted to show off our kitchen now that it's almost 100% done. We've got butcher block tops for counters. We've got the cabinets in with handles. We've got 2 sinks. We've got backsplashes made from molding that is matching to the decor of the cabinets itself. I love these handles. The previous spice rack that Jim built for me that we put downstairs in the pantry was too small. So he took it down off the wall downstairs and brought it up here, and it worked just great. And this is a floating island, and believe it or not, I made it out of a school desk, or I guess a study desk. It rolls around and it can be looked at from either side. It can be centered in the middle of the kitchen, although it would be a little bit tight quarters, but if you had to. And if you wanted to bring it out into the living room as a buffet server, you could do that too. But that's our little kitchen in the mother-in-law suite, and we are so tickled that it's pretty much done.